Hi, I'm JDE Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I'm going to talk about a default judgment that went wrong. Okay, but first, I'm going to say that if you have any questions about what you heard today, you want to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. Now, also, please put any comments or questions down below and like and subscribe to my videos so you get more like this in the future. Now, I call this video a default judgment gone wrong. Luckily, I was on the other side. I came out ahead here, but what happened was this. My client calls me up and says, I've been sued. They're going to get a default judgment against me. I need you to come into the case. And I need you to basically, he goes, I owe the money, I just need you to delay. Okay, not a problem. So he needed time to build his business back up after COVID so he could pay his debts. So I put in an answer and I asked for time to pose the default judgment motion. The court decided to deny the default judgment motion that the other side put on, and denied me putting in an answer because I didn't ask for permission, which technically the court can do. But they denied the default judgment for procedural reasons, and they gave the other side a chance to refile the motion, which I think a month or two later they refiled the motion, and I put in a cross motion so I could put in my answer. The court, and for whatever reason, decided to deny me putting in the answer. And they also denied the default judgment again because of procedural issues. The attorney didn't really figure out what was wrong the first time and made the same mistake. So now we're at a place where they can't get a default against my guy, but I can't put in an answer to defend the case. So a few more months go by, they make another default judgment motion. They think they've figured out what they did wrong. And I put in another cross motion to get my answer in, and I tried to fix what they said I did wrong. Well, they deny me again. They don't like my client's excuse for being late. But they did not deny the default judgment motion because, once again, the attorney did not understand what procedurally he did wrong. Okay. That was the third try they did. Now we're past a year from when my client got served, and they make another default judgment motion, the fourth one. So this time, I don't make the cross motion to get my answer in. It's never going to work. I just opposed their motion, and I said, number one, you can't get a default more than a year after the defendant has been served. So I said, actually, the complaint should be just dismissed. And I said, you don't actually have a right to make this motion 4 times. Well, the court agreed with me, said you don't have the right to make this motion 4 times. And they said, you're too late to make a default judgment motion properly. So the case is dismissed. Now, it's dismissed without prejudice because they can refile against my client. But really, after the second default judgment motion was denied, they should have just agreed to let my client answer so we could properly fight the case. Because now they have to refile, reserve my client, and I can enter the case and put in an answer. So this attorney has ended up costing his client more than a year of time with nothing to show for it. So it's a default judgment motion gone wrong. If you have any questions about what you just heard, you would like to discuss your business, or you think you have a potential case, just go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. Please like and subscribe to my videos so you get more content like this in the future. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Thanks for watching and listening. I'm JDE Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business.